Welcome to this week's edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Artificial intelligence takes a bold step forward. An AI-powered tool is now helping identify the dangerous heart cells responsible for ventricular tachycardia. With an accuracy of up to 81.4% sensitivity, this breakthrough could significantly improve catheter ablation outcomes and reduce the risk of relapse in high-risk patients. Evolocumab, a PCSK9 inhibitor, just received FDA approval for primary prevention in high-risk individuals without prior cardiovascular disease. Previously reserved for secondary prevention, this marks a major expansion. As the Vesalius-CV trial continues, more data is expected to strengthen its case. Infectious diseases pose a hidden threat to heart health. The American College of Cardiology now recommends 5 vaccines for patients with cardiovascular disease: COVID-19, flu, pneumonia, RSV, and shingles. This guidance targets reduced complications and tackles vaccine hesitancy head-on. On the genetic front, new findings reveal that interleukin-6 gene variants, which mimic the effects of interleukin-6 inhibition, are linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Importantly, no increased infection risk was noted, potentially shaping the future of anti-inflammatory heart therapies. At ESC 2025, Bristol-Myers Squibb presented impressive cardiovascular updates. Key highlights include real-world and long-term data on Camzyos for both obstructive and non-obstructive hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, alongside new insights on Eliquis and stroke prevention. Big changes are coming to valve replacement. The European Society of Cardiology has now lowered the recommended age for TAVI procedures from 75 to 70. This move reflects new randomized trial evidence and comes with updated guidance on mitral, tricuspid, and pericarditis interventions. In a powerful head-to-head, Wegovy, the GLP-1 receptor agonist semaglutide, has outperformed tirzepatide, also known as Zepbound. Real-world data shows a 57% reduction in major cardiovascular events, potentially cementing Wegovy's dominance in heart risk reduction. When it comes to stroke prevention, long-term data now shows surgery and stenting are equally effective. The ACST-2 trial followed over 3,600 patients for 8.5 years and found both carotid endarterectomy and carotid artery stenting delivered similar protection, with low complication rates. The choice can now be more tailored to the patient. The FDA is stepping up safety surveillance. Real-time adverse event reporting is now active, with daily updates to the FAERS database. This marks a shift toward greater transparency and faster identification of safety concerns, encouraging public and clinical engagement through MedWatch. Combining AI with a mini camera, researchers are predicting recurrent heart attacks with new precision. Using OCT imaging, artificial intelligence detects vulnerable plaques more accurately than expert labs, opening doors for personalized stenting strategies and medication adjustments. In pediatric cardiology, a simple cheek swab test may revolutionize early detection. The test identifies arrhythmogenic cardiomyopathy in at-risk children years before symptoms appear. It's non-invasive, potentially at home, and could transform early intervention for fatal pediatric heart conditions. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert health